Alevi, ale makiyaga. Ale boro. Esta role ya. O esta ko rudu amamu. Makirira. Hey.
They get very emotional. Very emotional. The boy you came out of Kia. Alevi.
Hey. Oh, let me nyanya.
Hey. Don't talk about Makiwati and what you. But you call now.
Go now.
But you call now.
Aza.
No ndungima kuri ngimira na mehia oka wina makirira ugeciria ati mehia macio ni mathira okoro egitoka kia mutumia mukuru rathamirie mundu ndu akwina makirira gitingieheria we ni rabatara wari ukwo ucoke okuo
uthie cokie
gitoka haria kiragirire no ko he mundu regete na thira wake either ni akurutire wira ona ngeina ume wona mukono wa bwana na githe tiguo kana wina ati itura reni ndeve makirira that won't make you a righteous man.
No,
you are still a sinner. And if it happens that Jehovah comes at that particular moment, you are going to hell. There is no other way about it. Arefia chona ko uri 90% ikoragwo ishu araigwa rwimbo aigwa atalo rwimbo rwa Diamond
no ile wewe nenda kila meka na entertainment
yo ndio rwa atalo no rwimbo rwa Diamond kona mundu anyitetie agwete makerera kona nginya sare
arera akore bauta baithori pio
aruta baithori pio gukururwe na kwa gira kuri andu yukaria kwa mukagu they get very emotional. But it is alcohol. Ndu anyamu yitagwo dopamine. Ya matonya thini wa miri yao. It makes them emotional. See, there is no difference. And this one would make you go to hell or to heaven. But
sometimes they say those people who they are when they are worshiping, they worship from their heart.
God is not worshipped by good drunkards. Nakunywa pombe ndio sasa unasema una worship.
And the hypocrites. And the hypocrites will watch you.
No, there is no difference. There is no difference.
Hypocrites in church will watch you how you are worshiping to see how whether you have the Holy Spirit in you.
No, there is no Holy Spirit in clubs. Most of the clubs are red light districts.